Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might make you rethink your protein intake. You've probably heard the buzz around protein powders, yogurt, and snack bars, with messages everywhere pushing us to eat more of this nutrient. But a recent study has flipped this narrative on its head, suggesting that eating less protein might actually be linked to healthier aging. Now, this is a controversial topic, and it's important to approach it with a critical eye. So, let's break it down and explore the science behind this claim. First things first, let's talk about protein. It's a nutrient made up of amino acids, found in a wide range of foods. Protein is essential for maintaining muscles, repairing tissues, and supporting overall health. Australian dietary guidelines recommend around 15 to 25% of our daily energy comes from protein, and good sources include legumes, nuts, fish, eggs, dairy, and lean meat. Most Australians already meet these recommendations, so it's not like we're protein deficient as a population. Now, the new study we're looking at brings together evidence from animal and some human studies to understand how restricting protein influences the biology of aging. The findings suggest that eating less protein changes the way the body uses energy, helps cells remove damaged components, and reduces the buildup of aging cells. These biological changes are associated with healthier aging and longer lifespan in animal studies. But here's the catch: the evidence comes primarily from animal studies, not humans. Laboratory animals live in tightly controlled environments where researchers can precisely manipulate diets over their entire lifespan. This level of control simply isn't possible in humans, and human biology is far more complex. So, while the findings in mice and rats are intriguing, they don't always translate directly to people. The review also suggests that total protein may not be the whole story. Restricting specific amino acids, particularly methionine, isoleucine, and valine, produced similar benefits in animal studies as reducing total protein. This adds another layer of complexity to the discussion. Studying humans is much harder. Intervention studies in humans have only lasted a few weeks, making it impossible to know whether restricting protein influenced people's lifespan or healthy aging. And it's crucial to remember that people don't eat protein in isolation, they eat food. A high-protein diet from red and processed meat can come with saturated fats and salt, which have been linked to worse health and early death. Now, let's talk about longevity. Research into long-living populations shows that focusing on one nutrient alone might be a mistake. The Mediterranean diet, for example, has strong evidence for healthy aging, but it isn't low in protein. It contains moderate amounts of protein from legumes, fish, and nuts, alongside plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and olive oil, while limiting red and processed meat. Similarly, the traditional Okinawan diet from Japan, associated with healthy aging, contains relatively little protein but emphasizes plant foods and is low in calories. Both diets show that isolating protein alone may miss the bigger picture. Longevity is shaped by much more than diet. It also depends on physical activity, sleep, social connections, stress management, and smoking habits. So, should you eat less protein? Not based on this review alone. While the study suggests protein restriction might affect aging in laboratory animals, it highlights how much we still don't know about how this translates into dietary advice for humans. The relationship between protein and longevity is far more nuanced than simply less is better. For now, the strongest evidence still supports meeting current protein recommendations, especially as we age. Instead of chasing the latest nutrition headline, aim to choose mostly minimally processed protein foods as part of an overall healthy diet. Remember, it's not just about protein, it's about the whole picture of your diet and lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has given you some food for thought. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you next time.